evening, Monica.
Good evening once again.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay. Can you present the main points of your project?
Thank you so much. I humbly say good evening to you all again. My project is entitled Empowering Burundi's Future. This has only 3 aspects: bio-coffee cultivation, neem tree planting, and empowering women. Most people will ask themselves, why agriculture? Why bio-coffee cultivation? Why neem tree planting? And why uplifting women? All this comes in one. To begin with, I come from a farming family where I have experienced the strength and the resilience of those who feed our nation. I'm very passionate about sustainable development, where I come to bio-coffee cultivation. Cultivating bio-coffee will not only enhance the quality, but also will be on the high rate on the international market. The integration of neem tree planting is not only there to reduce the harmful effects of chemical pesticides, but also to enhance the safe and suitable eco-friendly. To last with, uplifting women by giving them organic farming practices will not only promote their livelihoods, but improve their lives. Thank you for allowing me to share my vision. Ladies and gentlemen, Ingo Tujani, to create this positive change together. Thank you.
Thank you too. There are 3 small baskets on your left. You're going to choose a piece of paper in each one of them and read the question and the number you will get on it.
Thank you. Depuis 2020, le Burundi commémore la journée nationale du patriotisme. À quelle date est célébrée cette journée? Je dirais je passe. Thank you. Où se trouve le siège social de la Banque d'investissement et de développement par les femmes, BIDF? I would say in the province of Butanyerera. Quel est l'objectif principal du programme de réconciliation nationale au Burundi? Promouvoir la culture du café, favoriser l'intégration des jeunes dans les entreprises, assurer la paix et l'unité nationale après les conflits, encourager le tourisme dans des grandes villes.
Yes, you are going to choose from those answers.
I would choose C. Thank you.
Can you read?
Assurer la paix et l'unité nationale après les conflits.